Welcome back to the Brothers Workshop. As always, I'm Sean, and Dave's not here with us today because he's out looking for some houses. But we've listened to what you guys have had to say, and we know you want some renovation videos. So today we're going to show you how we redid the old floors in this house. Before we get into it, if you're into this kind of thing, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's going to help us keep you up to speed with what we're doing here. The biggest obstacle we had to overcome when sanding these floors was the actual machine itself. The original machine we got was an Orbital style. It had 3 pads and they rotate. Well, it left a lot of unsanded surface, and I'm going to show you here in our spare bedroom because the difference between this belt style that we just got and the Orbital style, night and day. That's the difference between an Orbital sander and the belt sander. Huge, huge, huge difference. In about 45 minutes, I was able to get the majority of the floor done, and I went over it again this morning just to get any imperfections out, and it really didn't need much. As you can see in the spare bedroom, that is what is left over when you use one of those Orbital style sanders. It almost looks the same as the one we got now, except it has 3 pads on the bottom that spin. It leaves a lot. And it's just a pain in the butt. I'll never go back to using one of those again. I will always go with this. So hopefully this video right now is gonna show you the difference, and you're not gonna make the same mistake that I made, because boy, that was costly in time and money, because I had to rent the thing for longer than necessary.